So we had drawn this type of lamp here, and the last time I was telling you that I'm not feeling the type of light that we did draw for the living room. So we want to redo the living area so that we can draw something that will look more nicer. So I'm clicking it and hitting delete. I want to delete what I did draw here. So yeah, and you remember I said it is important to find the center, the center point of the room. So in this case, because we had already this line here and we did draw the line at the center, if I come here and I draw a line like this, it's going to generate the center. Again, if I redo from this point here, it will generate for me the center again. So like I said, I usually base on there is a PDF that I have on lights. Like I will send it to you later, then you'll see it, this type of light. So the type of lamp that you want to draw here. So I'm clicking on this and Ctrl+Shift+D. I want to drag this one to 550 mm. The type of lamp that I'm going to draw is 110 by 70. So yeah, 110 centimeter by 70 centimeters. So this is 550 again. So, and I'm dragging this one by 350, and I can make a mirror copy, Ctrl+Shift+M from the center line like this. Now I can so the lines that we had initially, you can delete them so that they won't bring any confusion on what you're doing now. Yeah, so if I click on this, I can be able to cut these other lines, and so to cut, I think you know how to cut by now. You hold Control, I click this line, then I hold Control and I cut other lines that I don't want. So for now I have an issue with my keyboard. Something has happened to my mouse. You can see that here we have something. I don't know if the camera is able to show it. So I think there is a problem with my touchpad, but let's do this. So I select all the lines that I have for the exterior. I just want to make the corners to be curved, so to chamfer. Then you click one node and you choose the chamfer option, and let me chamfer by 50. You can chamfer by 50, by 25, or you can try out multiple values to see what will work out well for you. But for this case, I'm going to go with 50. Then I click apply to all corners so that I can chamfer all the corners. I can fillet all the corners once. Then I hit OK. So yeah, I'm okay with that. Then I can group the line, Ctrl G, and I click on the line tool. I still have this option here. If you don't have this option, go to is it options? We go to window, then palettes, and you will see control box at the bottom. You can activate it. It's called the control box. So on the control box, I choose this option to offset, and I click on the magic wand option. Now I just want to offset this one to be something small by 5 millimeters. Then I'm going to extend this one to here, and on this end as well. Once I'm done, I go to the slab option. I click on the slab. Then you can hold Control, or you can use this other option, the magic wand. If I hold not Control, you hold spacebar to choose the magic wand option. So it tells me that there is no region found. You just hold spacebar like that, then you can click them and Ctrl G, group together. Then you go back to the slab tool, and I can click here. again zoom in and click on this other one. So I did draw the line in between, so they separate them into two, and now I can click on this and this and group them together as well. Control G, then Control T. I'm going to set the thickness, let me set it to 20 millimeters, the height or the thickness. Then there is a new texture that we created last time, which was I think was it 15? I don't remember, so I'm just clicking on 15, the black texture or the anthracite. Then I hit OK, and now if I click on this, I want this to be, let's try 40 first. Then texture that I'm going to use here is the latest one that we created for lights, so the golden oak DA5. I don't know which one you are using. Then I hit OK, and I can say OK. Then I can group them together. Control G and Control T. We try to adjust the position from the ground to something like 750. Then OK, and now I can bring the elevation, or if you want you can just draw a different section. I mean, I'm bringing the section 2 that we had. If you want you can just draw a new section, then I place it there, and now I can open the section. You can either open it from here, or you can click it and you choose open section like this. So this is what we have, and Control D, we drag the 2 to the top. It is to here, I think. Is it there? What? No, not it. So this is the top, and now we can try to adjust. Let's hit Control Shift. Let's ungroup. Control Shift plus G. Control Shift plus G to ungroup, and we go back to a section. We click on this, and we can drop it. We can lower it to here. So to that point we are done. So in the next one we're going to have a look at the bathroom. We had a bathroom on the ground floor, common, and this is a quarter. It's more like a quarter bathroom. Is it a quarter? Yeah, I think it is a quarter bathroom. Just a toilet seat only. You do the toilet seat, and we will do the mirror here, as well as the place where you can be able to wash your hands. So see you in the next one now.